Several of you missed a problem that looked like this. Maybe not the exact problem, but very close to this, because the program generates different problems for different students. And it said, if cosine squared of 3x minus sine squared of 3x equals cosine b, it wanted to know about what is b. So on your cheat sheet that I gave you, and you need to make sure that you have that, because remember, you actually do get to use it, it gives you this formula. So this is the part that's inside parentheses, which relates to theta. And in this formula, it's saying that this subtraction is actually equal to 2 times theta. So 2 times the 3x would be 6x, which means that that's what b is equal to. So for this one, they tell you that sine is 1/9, and it's in the first quadrant. Well, sine is side opposite over hypotenuse. And so here's your angle. Opposite is the 1, and here's the hypotenuse. You need to find this missing side by using your Pythagorean theorem. So we end up that b is the square root of 80. Now, for those of you who had trouble or this wasn't part of your background, you can break 80 into 5 times 16, and 16 has a square root. So that's where they're getting that this is 4 square root of 5. So that's side B. Now, they're asking you for sine of 2x, cosine of 2x, and tangent of 2x. The formula for this one is 2 times the sine times the cosine. So sine, you already know, is 1/9. Cosine is this missing side over the hypotenuse. So you just do some multiplication with your fractions, and you get 8 square root of 5 over 81. On this one, you're going to square the cosine and square the sine, and you're going to subtract. So the cosine, we said, was 4 square root of 5 over 9. And if you square that, you're going to get your 4 square root of 5 squared is 16 times 5, which is 80 over 81. Sine squared, which is 1/9 squared, is 1 over 81. So this comes out to 79 over 81. Tangent has that big long formula on your sheet, but tangent is also sine over cosine. So this one, we got the answer for sine, and this one, we got the answer for cosine. So you can take those two numbers and you can divide them, and that would give you your answer. So we said this one was 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times the square root of 5 over 81. So 8 times the square root of 5 over 81. That's this one. This one we said was, let's see, 79 over 81. So all you need to do is divide those, and you'll have your answer for that one.